Danny from Wrap Vehicles. Welcome to our awesome wrapping facility. From design, print, installation, we do everything in-house. Nothing gets outsourced, so we control quality and workmanship all the time. We are introducing to you our new paint protection film booth, specially built for paint protection film and high-end wraps, like the R8 today. We're putting a HEXIS BodyFence on it, so that is a HEXIS paint protection film. The film itself is hydrophobic, self-healing, and it self-cleans as well. It's a totally optically clear film. We guarantee it against yellowing, cracking, and peeling. When applying the HEXIS BodyFence, we do a bulk install method. So that means is we wrap it around the edge to protect the edges of scratches, dings, and stone chips as well. It will protect your investment. It's a really, really good product to put on high-end cars. Come visit us at Wrap Vehicles, come see it and experience it for yourself, and sit down and have a cup of coffee.